Okay, how can we have better conversations about consent?
Okay, I don't know how to talk about this.
Consent.
Just be honest.
Yeah.
I mean, like, there's nothing wrong with being
Magpaalam,
honest.
no?
Yeah.
Wag,
Or di-
wag, ano to, no? Sa pagpapaalam with consent, when you're gonna do something, mas painful ba pag nagawa na sinabi sa'yo? Uy, by the way, nagawa ko nga pala to, okay lang ba sa'yo?
Ewan ko kasi I think siguro iba-iba din yung tao. Kasi for
Like
me,
you girls, you guys do film.
Yeah,
you,
kasi
you girls.
I don't know, for me kasi I'd rather know the real score or the real story than being lied to.
Lied to.
Yeah. So parang I'd rather know na, okay, I'm still seeing my ex. I'd rather know. Kasi then I know where to put myself.
Hindi ka magagalit.
Hindi. If nandun naman ako sa position na napag-usapan naman natin na walang serious relationship, and then you're honest with me na, Cherie, I'm still seeing my ex even if naghiwalay na kami. I mean, like, I'd rather know the truth than being lied to na parang bigla na lang tatawag ka tapos hindi mo na siya makontak. Tapos biglang,
Walang signal eh.
Aray.
wala
Walang
kasing
signal
signal,
sa
eh.
BGC.
Mas gusto ko yung, I mean like now ha, na medyo,
The signal sa Forbes.
nandun tayo sa mundo ngayon na,
Wala na wifi.
alam mo yun, chaotic and different.
Yeah.
Parang sa mind ko, mas nababother ako pag naglalay yung other person sa akin. I'd rather know where I stand than be blinded. So I think being honest is like, mas okay.
Yeah.
For me. For me.
Okay.
Di ba sa lalahanin nyo, the truth will always come out.
Yes.
So
So,
kahit
mas
anong-
maganda yung honest na lang.
Yeah. So, kahit anong pang pagtakpan mo dyan, minsan yung sinungaling mo, kailangan mong gawan ng sinungaling para lang kumabit. Gets mo? So,
Tapos?
talagang at one point, malilito ka eh.
Na-trigger. Na-trigger, Brad. Na-trigger. O,
Malilito
tapos,
ka rin sa sarili mong spin of lies.
Yeah.
So, do not ever do that.
so, you know, in fairness
May
to
threat yun.
Phoebe, in fairness kay Phoebe, she tells me, if you wanna see your ex, I will let you. Sabi sa akin, mag-dinner lang kayo hanggang dun lang.
Pero Rico, I won't let you.
Oh,
Ako yung mapipigil. Rico, umayos ka.
Sabi niya sa akin, hanggang dinner lang kayo, mag-usap kayo, pag-usapan niyo yung mga...
Ay, hindi talaga. Hindi ako papayag, Phoebe.
Ako naman,
Hindi kasi,
As a friend. Pakialamera.
hindi kasi okay, let's
Pero
talk
yung ex na yon, wag na Rico. Ako na magsasabi. Please lang.
Yeah. Hindi, sige, let's talk about closure muna kasi. No? Like
closure.
closure. Sa paniniwala ba ninyo, always kailangan ng closure sa isang relationship?
Ako, no. Ikaw muna. Sige, go.
Ako kasi ano eh. Ako kasi yes. You need closure. It's either like, sex muna kayo, tas closure. Medyo.
Karamihan doon nabubuntis, ha? Gago, ha? Yung ano,
Hindi,
yung...
mag-condom kayo,
Yung
syempre.
breakup sex.
Oo.
Yun, eh. I will never lose you.
Yung parang last na to, and then okay na.
One for
over
the
na.
road.
Yung ganun. Pero mas maganda yung may closure. Kesa naman yung, yun nga, yung parang hindi mo alam where you stand. Alam mo yun. Closure is important for me.
Ako, I believe, like, kung ikaw yung niloko, huwag mong bigyan ng closure. Para deep down inside, they still feel, you know, empty.
O hindi, ibig sabihin hanging pa yun.
Yeah.
Oo.
O sige, so you think the other person is troubled. Ang worry ko kasi is ikaw mismo na naloko, na ayaw magbigay ng closure. Ikaw, troubled ka pa rin somewhere underneath that surface.
Oo.
Pero alam nyo, guys, kayo naman, seryoso na ako. Gumatawa naman kayo. Nakanamputa naman.
Oh, go. What? Ano?
Alam nyo, guys, ano eh.
Gusto ko yung walang masabi si Rico, di ba? Alam mo dito sa show na to, tostado talaga si Rico sa aming mga
Hindi,
babae.
pero if you look at it, no. Ako kasi, it takes a lot to heal you from within. No? So, simula nung nakilala ko si Phoebe, natutunan ko lahat yun. Si Cherie nga, sabi sa akin, uy, unang pakawalan yan. Tangos na, tangos na uling niyan, pare.
Hindi, tsaka maayos.
Pero ako ganun
I
lang.
mean, like as a friend, Rico, I'd rather, kasi si Rico mapili yan.
Maybe.
Mapili siya ha. Yung papakilala mo sa kanya, ayoko yun, may anak.
I have nothing against MILFs. I do watch the category. But it's just that,
May anak.
It's just that my mom, my dad are very
Ganun na
conservative.
agad siya. So, nung na-meet niya si Phoebe, syempre alam ko naman na,
Sabi ko, uy,
sino si
meron
girl
ba to? May ano yan?
Sherry, may na-meet ako kagabi,
May ano ba
nag-inuman
to?
kami. Si Phoebe Walker. Kilala mo yun? Sabi ko talaga
Di ba
agad.
Viva yun? Ilang
Rico,
pelikula nun?
nakaka-jackpot ka na naman na. Huwag mo nang pakawalan yan.
Sabi ko,
Ganon.
ilang pelikula nun? Panoorin ko nga sa
Oh
building.
my God. Okay.
May pagkasiloso dito si Rico.
Pero with closure, no, that I come to learn now, 2024 Rico, is that, yeah, closure, you could, within you, if you found closure, you'll find it. Pero with the person, kung naloko ka nga, you don't have to give it to that person. You can just find closure on your own.
Yeah.
You control what you cannot control what they do, but you can control on your end. And for me, I could look at myself in the mirror and say, I did better in life. You know what I mean? I took that heartbreak and recreated Too Hot
I know,
for
I
podcast.
witnessed.
And now we're in Forbes Park.
Yeah.
What up?
Oo, alam mo ba kaya nabuo tong Too Hot for Podcast? Kasi at that time, I was in the midst of like, in a troubled
Oh.
relationship. And then si Rico naman was like super broken-hearted. Nagiinuman kaming dalawa sa Shangri-La. Nakaganon na si Rico. Tapos ako naman parang, paano ko palang kalad ka rin to si Rico? Ang laki ng muscles nito, hindi ko kaya to.
Magpunta kami ng Bruce.
Oo, punta kami Berus. Lasing na lasing kaming dalawa. Oh my God, Rico, anong gagawin natin? Pareho tayong lost. Alam mo yun. Tapos broken na broken si Rico noon. As in to the extent na sabi ko magbuo na lang tayo ng show kasi matagal ko na talagang gusto magbuo ng podcast. I just don't know how to do it. That's how it started.
And ang dream talaga ni Cherie ay
Oo.
maging newscaster, parang si Corina Sanchez. So, yan.
Pero naguhubad habang nag-newscast. Na joke.
Ito ang Rated K. Yeah, di ba?
Rated K without clothes.